Hi, my name is Dr. Sheridan, and I'd like to share with you how we can help you with your carpal tunnel pain. We have specific therapies for carpal tunnel which reduce pain, decrease muscle spasm, and increase mobility and grip strength. The reason why this is so important is because with the carpal tunnel, it'll affect your ability to work. So for example, if you're computer programming, typing all day, you'll start getting numbness and tingling in the fingers. If you have a job where you have to grip and hold on to things, it affects your ability to grip and hold without dropping, or even be able to feel what you're holding or gripping onto. And also sleep, so you get a full night of sleep without having burning and tingling in your hands. And also with carpal tunnel, it affects your ADLs, which is your activities of daily living. For example, bathing and showering. With carpal tunnel, you may not be able to shower, wash your hair, especially if you're going to blow dry your hair. You have difficulty grabbing the blow dryer and holding onto it, or even holding a glass of water or a cup of coffee. Difficulty in doing that. In my 25 years of experience, the most common cause of carpal tunnel syndrome is that there is 8 bones in the wrist that get jammed, and there's tendons that hold the bones in place, and there's a nerve called the median nerve that goes in there. What happens, it gets compressed, causing inflammation and swelling. The most effective treatment and therapies for carpal tunnel syndrome is electrical muscle stim, which helps reduce pain, decreases muscle spasm, and decreases inflammation. And also chiropractic manipulative therapy for the wrist to restore joint function to the carpal bones and to take the pressure off the median nerve. I want to share a story with you of a patient. Her name is Denise, and she was a computer programmer where she typed all day long, and she developed carpal tunnel syndrome where she had numbness and tingling after about 2 hours of work. After the first treatment, Denise had a 50% reduction in her numbness and tingling in her fingers, and after 30 days of treatment, Denise was pain-free with no numbness and tingling, was able to sleep at night without pain, able to hold on to a blow dryer, cup of coffee without dropping it, and able to work a full day of work without any burning or tingling numbness in her hands. The reason why Denise chose us is because I'm a certified medical examiner for the Department of Transportation and also Federal Motor Car Safety Administration. Also certified by the American Medical Association in impairment ratings, and also certified in diagnosing and treating carpal tunnel syndrome. We have a new patient special if you're suffering with carpal tunnel symptoms. This new patient special is $79, which includes a consultation, 4-point exam, 2 x-rays if necessary, treatment, and a bonus. The reason for the consultation is because we want to determine the exact mechanism of your carpal tunnel syndrome and what modalities and treatment would be most effective in reducing your carpal tunnel syndrome and getting you out of pain as soon as possible. The 4-point exam consists of range of motion testing to see if there's any restrictions in the joints of the wrist, muscle testing to see what specific muscles are involved, nerve testing to see what specific nerves are involved, and also orthopedic tests to see if there's any damage to the ligaments, tendons, or cartilages in the joints. The reason why we do this, again, is to know exactly the mechanism of your carpal tunnel syndrome pain, and also what is the most effective treatment and modalities to reduce your carpal tunnel and get you out of pain as soon as possible. The reason why we do x-rays is so we can get a better look inside to see what's happening, and treatment to reduce your pain. And the bonus is a bottle of BioFreeze, which is all natural pain relieving gel. We have a 2-part guarantee to our new patient special. The first part is, after we do our consultation evaluation, if we determine we cannot help you with your carpal tunnel syndrome and pain, we will refer you to the specialist who can, and there will be no charge, and you get to keep the bottle of BioFreeze. Our second new patient guarantee is a 100% satisfaction guarantee. After our services, if we decide we can help you and treat you, and you're not satisfied with the treatment or services provided in our office, there will be no charge, and you'll be able to keep the bottle of BioFreeze. This offer is limited to 10 new patients per calendar month. The reason is due to capacity restrictions. So if you're suffering with carpal tunnel syndrome or carpal tunnel symptom pain, I urge you to call 951-672-8060 so we can help you get out of pain as soon as possible.